Well, good morning and welcome back to the workbench here at Scale Models Midwest. As always, Dave, your humble host. Wanted to give you a quick little update on what I've done with the Charger since the last video, and in all honesty, not much. But I have the body mated to the chassis, and it's on all four wheels, so it's a roller. I still have to glue the axle to the wheels out back and to the little pins up front, but I'll make sure it's still a roller, so that'll take care of it. The glass I had in, and as you can see, those of you who remember me building my Petty Charger, I did not clear this, nor will I clear this kit. Once the decals are on, I'm gonna let it sit like that. But I think it just looks real sharp. As you can see, while we're at it on the back, the local hobby shop up in Ankeny does a lot of RC cars, and I believe I saw some small clear tubing that I think would make a great facsimile of the gas filler tube from here to the opening, and I think there's one for the overflow as well. So I'm gonna check them out and just make sure of that. I still have to sand this just a bit so I can get the rear bumper in place with that photo etched panel, and then the lower purple piece that ties the two ends together. Again, the engine pretty much done. I decided not to do the fuel lines for the carb because I started to use those little pin vise drill bits, and they worked great. Went through the one just fine. Started to do the second one, but I obviously did it at an angle, and I ended up drilling up through the top of the carb. You can't really see it, but I corrected that, cleaned it up. Then I just figured I'll just paint it. Wiring, upper and lower radiator hoses. Still need to do just a tad more detail before I put it into the engine bay. And while we're at it, in the engine bay, once that engine is in place, I'll have the radiator put in, then I'll put the upper and lower radiator hoses to their fittings, the air intake box, and then of course the aluminum radiator shroud up there, headers, the Jim Rogers dump pipes to go out to the sides, and then decals. So all in all, this is looking really good. We are almost done with this kit, and I think one of the best feelings around there is, I think anyone can agree that builds models, is that once you have a body and a chassis mated, you have it on all four tires, you guys kind of take a step back and you say, you know, this is really starting to look like a car or a truck or whatever you're building. So hope you like it. I'm gonna work on the kit for a little bit this afternoon, and then hopefully tomorrow have another update for you, show you what I've done since then. So again, have a great rest of your Monday, and we will see you in the next video.